Victor in here from Remax. We've got another new listing for you. We are out in Fruitport. This is an awesome, cute place on a nice half-acre wooded lot. Come on in and check it out. Okay, so right away when you walk in, you realize that you are in a spacious kitchen, and there's space right here that you could put a little dinette, and or I've actually seen in this house a dinette right here. So depending on how you want to use it, you get lots of options. There is a dining area, so don't feel like this would be your only dining area. We'll show you that in a minute. But if you look at this kitchen, stainless steel appliances, including dishwasher, tons of cabinet space, plenty of room here to do all your prepping. I'm gonna walk this way. You've got the good sized living room, fresh paint on the wall there. There's a lot of fresh paint in this home as well. But you can see this is a good sized living area. Decorated really nice. You do have vinyl windows in this home. And that is going to be out the back and mechanicals into the garage. We'll show you that in a minute. But for now, let's walk you this way. This is that dining area I was talking about. It's got laminate floor, enough room for a dining area, and you could still have a little office set up right here. Kind of notable, there is another entrance into the front right here, so you could have guests coming and going right here. If you're playing cards, playing games, you got a separate entrance besides the one in the kitchen. If you're to walk this way, you've got your two bedrooms. This one is the smaller of the two, but it's not tiny, it's a good size. Fresh paint, vinyl windows. These doors are really cool. They got the original character to them. They're solid doors, so that's kind of fun. You've got a full bath here, nice deep tub, and just kind of a nice updated feel in the bathroom. Nice color choice here. Really cool ceiling. Make sure you get a chance to look at that ceiling. Bedroom number 2, good size bedroom. A lot of the home has these shades here that you can use to cover the windows, so you don't even need to put new style blinds on if you don't mind these. Those work really well. All right, heading back this way, just to kind of give you an idea. We're testing Katie's backup skills is what we're really doing. And we're gonna go this way. All right, so in here is your washer and dryer, stackable, which is included. All appliances are included. And you've got a furnace and a water heater. Don't quote me on the age, but they're definitely not original, but they are updated. And walking this way is a 1-stall garage, actually 1.5 stall garage, so plenty of space here. So one of the best parts about this place, in my opinion, is this backyard. Look at this backyard, like I say, half an acre, backed right up to mature trees. Right now the leaves are down, but even with the leaves down, it's super private. You've got a giant patio, perfect spot for entertaining guests, hanging out with family. Put a picnic table here, whatever you want. There is a storage shed off to the side. You got a little fire pit area, plenty of room for off-street parking if you do have friends or family coming over. Just a real cozy backyard. All right, so there you have it. Quick tour, 2-bedroom, 1 bath, half an acre, minutes from the lake shore, great location. Comment below, what do you think this house is valued at? What price do you think this house is valued at? And also, what are your favorite parts about this house? Give us a call for a private tour.